Have you ever noticed how quickly you forget new information after learning it? This common experience sparked one of the most influential discoveries in psychology, changing how we understand memory and learning forever. In the late 19th century, German psychologist Hermann Ebbinghaus embarked on a quest to study memory scientifically. He meticulously memorized lists of nonsense syllables, tracking his ability to recall them over time. Through these experiments, Ebbinghaus plotted what he called the forgetting curve, a visual representation of how memory retention drops off steeply soon after learning before gradually leveling out. His findings revealed that without reinforcement, most newly learned information fades rapidly from our minds.
Ebbinghaus didn't just identify the problem, he also pointed toward a solution. His research introduced the concept of the spacing effect, the idea that revisiting information at increasing intervals can dramatically improve long-term retention. This insight led to the development of spaced repetition techniques, now widely used in education and personal development. By reviewing material just before you're about to forget it, you strengthen your memory and make learning more efficient.
The forgetting curve isn't just a scientific curiosity. It's a powerful tool for anyone who wants to learn smarter. Applying Ebbinghaus's insights means structuring your study sessions to include regular reviews. Whether you're mastering a new language, preparing for exams, or developing professional skills, spaced repetition can help you retain information for the long term. Embracing this approach transforms forgetfulness from a frustration into an opportunity for growth.
Hermann Ebbinghaus's pioneering work laid the foundation for modern memory science, showing us both the challenge of forgetting and the promise of effective learning strategies. By understanding the forgetting curve and using spaced repetition, you can take control of your memory and achieve lasting mastery in any field. Harness the science of memory and unlock your full potential.